Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw this Batman. All you'll need is a piece of paper, a pencil, and an eraser, and we will get started. So what you're seeing right now is my first sketch. So this is the first drawing that I drew of a stylized Batman, which means it's got nice, thick, bold black outlines. So this is a stylized Batman. All right, I'm going to clear off my page so that way we can get started. All right, so the first thing I want to start off with is the head. So that means I don't want my paper or I don't want to start like really low on my paper, because if I draw a head down here, well, his body's going to get chopped off. So I want to make sure that I draw the head higher, so that way I have room for its body. So the head will be the highest point. All right, so for the head, we're going to start off with a sketch. We're going to make a nice round shape. And this is the head, so don't make it too small because, well, you won't have a lot of room for all the details like his eyes and his web. So try your best to make at least a quarter-sized circle. Okay, and if you're not happy with your circle, erase it, try it again. Sometimes it helps me if I hold my hand at a certain angle. So sometimes I turn my paper so that way I can rest my hand down the way I like it, and then I'm able to draw better circles. So that takes some practice, but get comfortable, make a circle. All right, so I've got this nice circle, and I'm going to add the ears. He's got bat ears, of course, so I'm going to find the center of my circle on the top, and I'm going to move over to the right, and I'm going to draw a curved line up. So my line is going to the left, okay? Now, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to find the middle, then I'm going to move over to the right, and I'm going to make a line up, and it's going to curve to the right. All right, now, so I've got the tips of my ears started. What I want to do is I want to take the top, I'm going to zoom in, take the top line and bring it down to the side of the circle. So I kind of want to match it down. Sort of looks like a shark fin. That way it looks like a shark fin. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to start at that point, and then I'm going to curve a line down to the side of my circle. Okay. Don't worry if it goes, really long. One side's longer than the other. It's okay, because the whole thing is going to be painted black. So it's really not a problem. All right. Next, we've got the head. So there's my head, and there's my whole piece of paper. I want to start adding some details to the head. All right, so actually, you know what? I changed my mind. Let's continue with the body. Let's just get the whole outline done, and then I'll show you step by step how to add those little details. That's usually a better way. All right, so we've got the head. Now on the side of the head, I want you to make a nice round shape and bring it back. Okay, so it starts to look like it's a circle, but nope, tricked you, and I went back to the head. And if you look at the side, looks like a teardrop. Okay, so there's one arm over there. I'm going to do another arm on this side. So I started on the side. I'm going to do the opposite side. I'm going to make that nice round shape, and I'm going to bring it back in. So I've got two little arms kind of, flying out. Now the body is going to be a U shape, and it's going to connect from this side to this side, but I'm going to go down. So I'm going to make a nice round shape. Looks like a really round U. Okay, and that's going to be for his chest, his belly. Now his feet and legs are in a flying position. So we're going to have some lines that are going to cross over one another, and that's okay. That's why we're doing it in pencil, so we can erase. All right, so let's draw the front leg. So we're going to start on the right side of that body, and I'm going to make a nice rainbow shape off to the side. Okay, a nice rainbow shape. And under that rainbow, I'm going to copy it with an upside down rainbow. So basically, you know what it is? It's like a little Easter egg or an oval. Okay, so there's one of the legs. Now the other leg is sort of behind it. So I'm going to start a little bit over. Here's my body. And I'm going to come down and up. So it looks like a long U. Okay. And I'm going to stop when it hits the other leg. Now, remember that line right here? We're going to erase that. So go ahead, get your eraser and, oops, mine's too big. Get your eraser and let's erase that line inside, because we want the leg to look like it's in front of the body and not behind it. All right, so we've erased that line. Now I've got these two shapes. Perfect, that's what we want. We're going to continue with the outline. So I've got the head, I've got both arms, a body, two legs and feet. We're going to start drawing the bat's wings. So on the side of the arm, I'm going to zoom in, we're going to make a curved line down. Okay? And on the other side, we're going to make another curved line down. But if you notice, this one goes to the right and that one goes to the left. Okay? It's going to show different direction. Now, underneath, we're going to use scallops. So I'm going to make one rainbow shape, but I'm going to continue it. I'm going to make another rainbow shape and another rainbow shape. So these are scallops because they continue, they never stop. They look like M's that just go on forever. So I did this on this side, the left. Now let's do it on the right. So I'm going to make a nice big, then a medium, then a small. Okay, and now I've got his wings. So now you can see the outline. You can start to see his character kind of coming to shape. So just to make things clearer, do me a favor. Go back to the head and let's erase these lines. So go ahead and get your eraser and let's erase the line that you still see in the ear. Or in, yeah, those are his ears, right? Okay. And let's erase, erase, erase until we just see this one nice shape. And you know what might be a good idea too is to go back around that shape and kind of just trace it out. Oops, too dark. Okay, and this is going to make it look more uniform, which means it's going to look like it's all connected and it's all supposed to be there. All right. I hope you guys just have fun with this. Don't worry if it doesn't come out perfect. Trust me, mine didn't come out perfect the first time either. But try it again. Try it again. Actually, the more times you do it, you'll notice that you really do start improving and it's really nice to see. All right, so I've outlined the head just so you can kind of see the shape a little bit better. All right, now let's start adding some of those details. So we're going to start off with the head. And he's got these kind of angry looking eyes. So I'm going to find the center. I'm just going to kind of imagine a little plus sign in the middle. That's going to help me because I'm going to use one eye on this side of the plus sign and another eye on that side of the plus sign. So if you want, you can sketch very lightly a little plus sign right in the center to help you. I'm going to leave that there just to help. So on the side of the plus sign, I'm going to make a diagonal line. Kind of looks like an angry eye or angry eyebrow. And then underneath that, I'm going to make a nice U shape. So I've got one eye I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to use that plus sign to kind of help me. And I made the angle like this, so I'm going to kind of try to make the other angle like that, so they kind of mirror each other. And then just like I drew that big U, I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to draw that big U onto that side. Okay? And you can clean it up. You can go and erase some things. You can try it again. You can erase it and just give it another try. They might not be the same. That's okay. Don't worry about it. All right, now we've got to add the mask part. So let's go ahead. I'm going to actually erase my plus sign because I've got my eyes where they're supposed to be. So I'm going to use my eyes to kind of help me now. And I don't want that line to be in the way. So I'm going to erase that plus sign. And I'm going to make the mask for his face. So I'm going to find the middle of the eyes and I'm going to put a little dot there. See that? I'll just put a little dot there. And from that dot, I'm going to make a diagonal line just like the eye. See that? They kind of match each other, don't they? And on this side of the dot, I'm going to make that shape of a line. And I'm going to turn my paper because, well, that's just easier for me. Okay, so it looks like a mustache right now. This could be a face of its own. But if you notice, they do match. They are parallel. We call that parallel, where it looks like they can just go on forever and they'll not connect. Okay, now let's continue with the mask. We're going to make a rounded line on the side and a rounded line on the other side. I'm going to continue this one all the way down to the circle. Okay, and in the middle of this, just a straight line across. Maybe that's too long. Maybe just a short one for his little mouth. Okay. Now let's add some details to the legs and the body, and then we'll be done. We'll be able to color this in. So for that front leg that's peeking through, I'm going to put a little V shape. So the point is very close to the left side. And then the right side goes down. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, except, well, you're only going to see one side. So I'm just going to put one little V. Okay, and that's going to be like his little boots. And then for the bat wings, remember we made those scallop lines? Well, where the scallop goes down in that point, I want you to make a curve back up. Find the point, curve it back up. Match the curve to its side. So see, these curves are going to the left. So I'm going to make all my curves on this side go to the left. Now these ones are going to the right. So I'm going to make these curves going to the right. And you'll start to see that they do look like bat wings. And then for the center, for his belly, I'm just going to put a half circle. And I'll probably color that all in to be black, or you can add a little oval inside for his emblem, which is the little bat, which is like his bat head sign and the wings. Okay, you can do that as well. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you had fun. I'll show you back my original, or my original. And that's how I colored it in. So I used black all the way around, kept white on the eyes and the face masks, the mouth part. Did gray for the suit, black for the boots. Added an emblem. I put a little waistband. I had more room on him than the other one, but you can make yours however you'd like. All right, guys, I hope you had fun, and I hope you continue doing some art and relaxing and having fun. All right, bye, guys.